Welcome dear traders. In this video you will learn how to build powerful key levels, how to identify it on different instruments, crypto, FX, Bitcoin, and we're starting right now. Before I ask you to push like and subscribe, because my name is Yuri, I'm top author on TradingView, and I promise you these lessons will help you a lot. About key levels, my friends, first plan of this lesson, why key levels works, and top 3 type of key levels which I personally use in my trading. Why key levels works. Major idea of key levels is that nearly those levels there would be a lot of transactions. Let me show you some example. As you can see at this moment, take a look. It's example for you of a DOM of some instrument. It is CHR, one crypto coin. And take a look. At this moment we have local key level, and take a look on all of these pending orders inside in DOM. Major idea of every level that nearly those levels there would be a lot of liquidity, and that's the reason why they will work in the future on different instruments, and they work everywhere, and I will prove it to you. The next one, top 3 type of key levels which I personally love to trade. Let's go. First type, it is a trend change point which I love to trade, and it is one of the most powerful key level. What you should do first, such type of levels you should build and analyze on bigger time frames, on time frames like daily chart, weekly chart, as big as better. And take a look here, example for you, this one. Price many days ago, what happened here? All this up run finished here. That means some people, a lot of people close their buy position, price change, it's powerful place. Many people will pay attention to it, and take a look how after that price retested it. That's the reason why it works really powerfully. Another example with trend change point, take a look here on this Ethereum example for you, my friend. Price many in August 2020, as you can see, this high, it was high of all of this bull run, and after that price made a pullback, and all this trend changed into a range for big period of time. And take a look how after that they retested this level and exactly played out. In this case, this trend change point become a mirror level when price broke it. And major idea, in the future I will show you 2 strategies which you can use with key levels, because sometimes, as you can see, price broke key levels, sometimes in some cases price create a false breakout. It is 2 different strategies which you will use based on key levels, and we have 2 playlists on this YouTube channel where you can learn a lot about these 2 strategies. Another example on Bitcoin. Take a look, my friend. Price here in December 2017 started this trend down and bounce it a lot. And take a look here, when price first time came to that level, take a look on this bounce and range at level, and after that here were maybe one of the best breakout entry point. As you can see, that's maybe one of the best example. Let's go to another examples. Take a look, my friend, on this example on Chinazes. As you can see here, price started this beautiful uptrend, and after that, as you can see, what had happened. They bounced it here on March, and after that price were in a range for nearly whole month. That was a trend change point. Price changed from bull run into range market. Another example for you, my friend, it is on BNB, also trend change point here. Take a look. And as you can see, first reaction on this key level, what price did slow false breakout and range at level, and after that broke it. As you can see on few examples, when price create a range at level, with huge possibilities that breakout price will create breakout. My friend, another example for you on Ethereum, as you can see, it's also a trend change point from which price bounced here. But remember that sometimes price only will break it, and take a look like here they create a range and pull back. Remember that sometimes price will not make any reaction on key level, because there would be no people inside in DOM that would like to do their transactions. Because remember, major idea of any key level is that there would be a lot of people that they won't transact nearly that level, and they would be happy to do it. They will create liquidity for it. Second type of key level which I also like to trade, it is a range border. Very often that range border becomes a mirror level. Let's open some examples. I prepare for you some examples here. Take a look. Really beautiful example for you. Price inside in this range, and take a look what happened after that. When they broke it, as you can see, they exactly broke it, and after that they exactly retested it. Major idea of this range is that there would be a lot of accumulation and a lot of bounce inside. Another example for you. Ripple example for you, my dear friend. Take a look here. As you can see, price inside in this range, and take a look what's going on. This powerful accumulation, because take a look, it showed to us volume inside. As you can see, after breakout, take a look how price skyrocketing, especially when you have a beautiful squeezing to one border. Remember that we know how to trade key levels, and I can teach you. At this moment, you just need to write to my team and write to me and ask about education, and you will learn how to trade breakout, false breakout strategy with step-by-step plan. Link below and ask. Another example, a range border. Take a look here. When you see such range border, take a look. Major idea of a range is that some people accumulate positions inside. And when price break it, those people that accumulate buy positions, they are happy and price move into their direction. As you can see, it's also beautiful. Another example for you of beautiful range border. Take a look here. Same. Take a look. Price bounced so many times here. And after that, exactly breakout, pull back, and rise into their direction. Take a look, my friend, on this example of range border. Maybe it is one of the best strategy and best example of key levels which you can build on crypto. Take a look on this coin. Take a look. Before starting all of this skyrocketing, take a look on this beautiful border. And as you can see, before breakout, what they did first, they bounced. Take a look how volume increased here dramatically. A lot of people did transaction, came back, and take a look how after that price skyrocket. And after that, as you can see, the price create another range border. Here it was tranche point, which become a range border. And after that, again skyrocketing. As you can see, it's amazing. Another example for you of a range border, it is this trade on Ocean. As you can see, my friend, Ocean broke this range at this moment price on retest. I personally have a position inside in Ocean, and for me it's interesting to see how price will retest it. But remember that, as you can see, I have a third type of key level which I love to trade. It is a mirror level, and when price break some key level, for example, trend change point or range border become a mirror level. And at this moment, as you can see, it is a mirror level to that range border. Another example for you of range border. Take a look, this beautiful range border. And by the way, inside in our VIP room, I sent this idea to open buy. And take a look, my friend. Here, as you can see, price fire inside in this range, fake out, and after that, take a look how before breakout they approve that level really powerful and important. And after that, take a look how that range border become a mirror level. That's why, my friends, let's summarize. What rules should you use when you build some powerful key levels on a chart? First one, use bigger time frames. Second one, build levels on powerful places where something important happened and people would like to do their transactions in future. They would like to set their stop losses, pending orders. They would like to open new orders, new trades. And that will help you make powerful levels better. And also remember that we have a plan to record a lesson about trend lines and how to build powerful trend lines. That's why I recommend you to write in comments, are you interested in such lesson and what questions do you have? Thank you for your time. Bye.